Setup for RStudio. First, we needed the R language. First, you have to download the R language, install it properly. After that, you can install RStudio. Let's first install RStudio, R language, and after that RStudio. So R language download. You can directly write it down there. Download. You'll find it on the official website here. The cvren.r-project.org. This is the official one. You can go there, and here is option is available. Download updated version for a Windows. Click on it. The downloading process is started. Okay, so this one, actually this site is quite slow, so it will taking a time to download it. So even my internet speed is good, but still is taking a time. So for you is also facing that kind of issues, so don't worry, let's wait for that and complete the downloading process. So after completing of the R language, we have to also do the setup for RStudio as well, right? So let's also download the RStudio in the same time. RStudio. But again, without R language, don't install the RStudio. First, complete the R language and then RStudio. RStudio desktop, yes. Go there and okay, where is the download? Yes, download option is also available here. RStudio.exe. So I'm using the Windows, so we have to select the Windows and download it. Let's check it. It's download. RStudio is quite faster, but yes, R language is a little bit slow. So we have to wait for R language. So let's also complete the RStudio in the same time, so that after completing of the R language, we can directly start the RStudio as well. Now the downloading process is also completed, this R language. Yes, let's go for installation. First, we have to install the R language, and after that, RStudio. Double click on it. And it's asking the permission because it's the external software. Click OK. Next, next, next. And what is that? Please specify yes or no to click. Yeah, default one. I don't want to customize anything. Okay, next, next. That's it. Installation process will be a little bit faster because the file size was also very less, like just 81 MB. Let's first complete the R language installation, then we'll start the RStudio. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, now it's done. So we can also check that. Just go to the R. You can directly search it R language. Okay, it will not come. No worries. Click on a Windows, go to All App, and scroll down in the R section. MNOPQR. So yes, R language is here. Double click on it. The console is also here. You can also write the command. That UI is not as much good, okay, because the R language, the basic one. Hello world. After that, enter. So now it's working fine. So that means R language is properly installed. So we can jump on RStudio. Let me close it. Okay. Then RStudio, double click on it. Click yes. Next, next, install. That's it. RStudio file size was a little bit bigger, so it will taking a time compared to R language. Okay, now it's completed. Just click finish, and you can also search it RStudio. RStudio, yes, it's available. Okay, it's asking that which one you want to choose. Yes, I want to choose the 64-bit. Yeah, RStudio is opening now. Okay, so previously I also used the RStudio. That is the reason is also detecting the previous files. So let me just delete it and show you some program, new file, R script. So whenever you're writing any command, print hello world and click run. Okay, click run this one. So output will show in a down. You can also check it. Yeah, you can see here, hello world is showing. That means my program is completely finished. Now it's properly working. Okay.